Hello everyone! Welcome back to Pagkaing Pinoy TV. So this is another episode of my culinary journey. This is episode 3. And today I'm going to talk to you about what we've been doing in the class. So we've learned about precision cutting. So this is a bit tricky because all the cuts should be consistent. So depending on the size and how we're going to use it. We've also learned how to make minestrone soup. This is a hearty Italian vegetable soup, which I had a chance to cook it last night with my family, and the kids love it. So I'm gonna show that to you and other stuff that we did. And yeah, just stay tuned and keep on watching. We use precision cutting when the vegetables need cutting into specific shapes and sizes for serving in a dish or in a soup. Here, carrots have been peeled and washed, and we're now starting to cut it into a baton about 4 millimeter. The first cut that we did was called macédoine. Macédoine is a French word meaning square, so we're gonna cut the carrots into a small dice about 4 millimeters on each side. Next is the jardinère. So basically we're just gonna do the same thing that we did earlier. We're going to make a short and thick baton cuts ranging from 2 centimeter by 4 millimeter by 4 millimeter. Next one, you might be familiar with this. This is julienne cut. So basically, we're doing a thin strips of carrots. Next, we're gonna put 2 slices on top of each other, and we're gonna cut it like this. Another one is paysanne. It's a French cooking term which means country style. So it indicates that this cut is rougher, more informal cuts than other precise cuts that exist in French cooking. Next, we also chop some parsley. I think this technique is pretty easy. We just have to keep on chopping it for about 3 to 5 minutes. Next, we also crush some garlic. So this one, I'm sure you know how to do it. If the recipe calls for a minced garlic, I can just stop from here. If not, I will continue and I will use the blade of the knife to press it like this. Here we've also poached the tomato. We put it in a boiling water, then in cold water to peel the skin. We also use the trimmings of onion, carrots, celery, and leek to make a vegetable stock. Now we're ready to make the minestrone soup. So first we've put some olive oil in a pot over medium heat. Then we're gonna sweat off the onion and bacon. When we're sweating, there should be no color. That's different from sautéing, which has color. While we're waiting for the bacon and onion to sweat, we're going to drain the vegetable stock. Now let's add the garlic. We will now put the onion, carrots, leek, celery, and turnip. Add about 1 tablespoon of tomato paste, which will give color to the soup. Now we're just going to pour the vegetable stock. Then we will bring it to boil and we will simmer this for about 20 to 30 minutes. While we're waiting for it to boil, we can now prepare our Bouquet Garni, which is a combination of thyme, bay leaves, peppercorn, and parsley stalk. So we've put it in a cheesecloth and now we're gonna tie it. We also cut the tomato into a small dice. After the demo, I did it on my own and here's what I have. Here's my version of minestrone. It is so good. I've put some pasta and potato, and I've also added some shaved cheese and chopped parsley on top. So that's about it, guys. I hope you like this video. Give it a thumbs up if you like it. Don't forget to click on subscribe and tap the bell icon so you can receive notification when I release new videos. Thank you guys for watching and I'll see you on my next episode. Bye!